Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the last unit of the 8th standard mathematics in part second is mensuration. Okay, dear students, in the mensuration we are discussing the following content, that is introduction, recall, area of a trapezium, area of a general quadrilaterals, area of a special quadrilaterals, area of polygon, solid shapes, surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder, surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder, cuboid, cube, cylinder, volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder, cuboid, cube, cylinder and volume and capacity. This is the content in the chapter mensuration we are discussing. Okay, today we shall discuss about introduction of this lesson. First we have discussed about what is a area or boundary. Okay, in introduction, we are discussing about a closed plane figure. A closed plane figure. The perimeter is the distance around its boundary, and its area is the region covered by it. Okay, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around its boundary is called as a perimeter of the closed plane figures. Similarly, what is area? Area is the region covered by it. Okay, area is the region covered by it. It is called as a area of that figure. Okay, we are recall the following concepts. Okay, here the rectangle. It is a shape of a rectangle. It is the shape of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth is called as a area of a rectangle. And the area of a perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. It is the area of a it is the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, you note that the formula, the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. The perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. It is the perimeter. What is the square? The area of a square. Okay, the area of a square is equal to A into A, that is side into side. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Therefore perimeter is equal to 4 into A, that is 4A. Okay, the perimeter of a square is 4A. Area of a square is A side into side, that is equal to A into A. This is the formula of a square. Next we are discussing about the another formulas. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. For common triangles, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. This is the area of a triangle. Half into, this is the base, this is the height. That is formula is half into base into height. Therefore perimeter is, okay, sum of three sides. Perimeter is the sum of the three sides. That is equal to, perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. What are A plus B plus C? It is the sum of the three sides. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, that is equal to sum of the three sides. Okay, next we are discussing about parallelogram. Next we are discussing about parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. That is the perimeter is equal to 2 into B plus A. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Perimeter is equal to 2 into B plus A. Perimeter is equal to 2 into B plus A. That is the perimeter. Okay, next we are discussing about circle. Another one figure. This is the circle of radius R. This is the circle of radius R. What is the area of a circle? The area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square. And perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula of a area of circle and area of a and perimeter of a circle. Okay, next we are discussing about area of trapezium. Okay, area of trapezium. First we are discussing about area of a trapezium. Okay, to find the area of a trapezium, we need to know the length of the parallel sides. First, we need to know length of the parallel sides and the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides and perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides of the product of the sum of the lengths of a parallel sides and the perpendicular distance between them gives the area of trapezium. Perpendicular distance between them gives the area of a trapezium. Therefore, we have to first of the product of the sum of lengths of parallel sides and the perpendicular distance between them gives the area of trapezium. Therefore, area of trapezium is equal to okay height distance between the two parallel sides h into a plus b divided by 2, a plus b divided by 2, it is the area of a trapezium. Next, the area of a general quadrilaterals, the area of a general quadrilaterals. Therefore, it is the quadrilateral. Here we consider as the height of the one triangle h1 and height of the another triangle is h2. Here two triangles are joined, then it forms another one quadrilateral. Okay, this is the distance between this is diagonal D. Okay, therefore the area of a general quadrilateral. Therefore, the area of general quadrilateral is equal to half into diagonal into h1 plus h2. Okay, therefore the area of general quadrilateral is equal to the area of general quadrilateral is equal to half into d into h1 plus h2, half into d into h1 plus h2, that is equal to half into d into h1 plus h2. This is the area of a general quadrilateral. Okay, next we shall discuss about next we are discussing about another one example problem. Find the area of a quadrilateral PQRS shown in figure. Find the area of quadrilateral PQRS shown in the figure. Here D is equal to 5.5 centimeter, height H1 is equal to 2.5 centimeter, and H2 is equal to 1.5 centimeter, and H2 is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Therefore, the area is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. That is equal to half into 5.5 into 2.5 plus 1.5, that is equal to 4. Okay, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 2 into 5.5 is 11. Therefore, the area of a quadrilateral PQRS is 11 centimeter. The area of a quadrilateral PQRS is 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. Okay, next to area of special quadrilaterals. Area of special quadrilaterals. Therefore, area of rhombus is half of the product of its diagonal. Therefore, the area of rhombus is half of the product of its diagonals. That is equal to area of rhombus is equal to A is equal to half into D1 into D2. Therefore, area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. Area of rhombus A is equal to half into D1 into D2. Okay, next second example. Example 2. Find the area of a rhombus whose diagonals are of length 10 centimeter and 8.2 centimeter. Example 2. Find the area of a rhombus whose diagonals are of length 10 centimeter and 8.2 centimeter. Therefore, area of rhombus A is equal to half into D1 into D2. Therefore, area of rhombus A is equal to half into D1 into D2. That is equal to area of rhombus A is equal to half into 10 into 8.2 centimeter. That is area of rhombus A is equal to half into 10 into 8.2 centimeter. That is equal to 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 0.21 ja. That is equal to area is equal to 10 into 4.1 centimeter. That is equal to 41 centimeter square. 10 into 4.1 is equal to 41 centimeter square. It is 41 centimeter square. 41 centimeter square. Okay, next we are discussing about area of a polygon. Next, we are discussing about area of a polygon. We split a quadrilateral into triangles and find its area. We split a quadrilateral into triangles and find its area. Therefore, the area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meter square. The distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter and one of the parallel side is 20 meter. Find the other parallel side. Find the other parallel side and find the other parallel side and find the other parallel side. The area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meter square. The distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter and one of the parallel side is 20 meter. Find the other parallel side. Therefore, area of trapezium A is equal to h into a plus b divided by 2. Area of a trapezium A is equal to h into a plus b divided by 2. A is equal to 480 meter square, h is equal to 15 meter, A is equal to 20 meter, B is equal to question mark. Therefore, 480 is equal to 15 into 20 plus b divided by 2. That is 480 is equal to 15 into 20 plus b divided by 2. That is equal to 20 plus b is equal to 480 into 2 divided by 15, that is 64. Therefore, b is equal to 64 minus 20, that is equal to 44 meter. Therefore, b is equal to the other parallel side, b is equal to 44 meter. 44 meter. Okay, next we are discussing about another one important question, that is equal to find example 2. Write down example 2. The area of a rhombus is 240 centimeter square. Area of a rhombus is 240 centimeter square and one of the diagonal is 16 centimeter. Find the other diagonal. The area of a rhombus is 240 centimeter square and one of the diagonals is 16 centimeter. Find the other diagonal. Solution. The area of a rhombus is equal to A is equal to half into D1 into D2. That is equal to area of a rhombus is equal to A is equal to half into D1 into D2. Therefore, A is equal to 240 centimeter square. Area is given, that is 240 centimeter square. D1 is equal to 16 centimeter. D2 is equal to question mark. D2 is equal to question mark. Therefore, that is 240 is equal to half into 16 into D2. That is 240 is equal to half into 16 into D2. That is D2 is equal to 240 into 2 divided by 16. 240 into 2 divided by 16. That is equal to 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja. That is D2 is equal to 30 centimeter. D2 is equal to 30 centimeter. Next, okay, this is the length of the other diagonal. Okay, next we are discussing about another one example important. There is a hexagon MNOPQR of sides 5 centimeter. A man and Ridhima divided into two different ways are shown in the given figures. Okay, find the length of the area of that one. Therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is, length is equal to 8 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to 8 into 5. That is equal to 40 centimeter square. Area of a rectangle is equal to 8 into 5. That is equal to 8 5 is 40 centimeter square. Next to area of the given figure. Area of the given figure, that is equal to 2 into 12 into 12 plus 40. That is 2 into 12 plus 40. That is equal to 12 to the 24 plus 40. Totally 40 plus 24, 64 centimeter square. 40 plus 24, 64 centimeter square. 40 plus 24, 64 centimeter square. 40 plus 24, that is equal to 64 centimeter square. Okay, therefore solid shapes. Next we are discussing about solid shapes. Okay, in that one cuboid. Okay, this is the figure of cuboid. This is the figure of cuboid. Okay, total six faces. Totally six faces. Totally six faces. All faces are in rectangle. All faces are in rectangle shape. All faces are in rectangle shape. Therefore, opposite faces are equal. All faces are in rectangle shape. Therefore, opposite faces are equal. Opposite faces are equal. Opposite faces are equal. Therefore, cube. It is the cube. Okay, this is the cube. This is the cube. Total six faces. All faces are in square shape. All totally six face. All face are in square shape. All face are in square shape. All face are equal. Total six faces. All faces are in square shape. All faces are equal. All faces are equal. All faces are equal. Therefore, it is a cylinder. Okay, this is the cylinder. This is the structure of cylinder. What is the cylinder? One curved surface and two circular faces. One curved surface and two circular faces. And two circular faces. Okay, next example 4. Next one is example 4. Okay, next problem is an aquarium is in the form of a cuboid. An aquarium is in the form of a cuboid whose external measures are 80 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 40 centimeter. 80 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 40 centimeter. The base, side face and back face are to be covered with a colored paper. Are to be covered with a colored paper. Find the area of the paper needed. Find the area of the paper needed. Find the area of the paper needed. Okay. Next, an aquarium is in the form of a cuboid whose external measures are 80 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 40 centimeter. 80 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 40 centimeter. The base, side face, the base, side face and back face are to be covered with a colored paper. Find the area of the paper needed. Find the area of the paper needed. Find the area of a paper needed. Okay. Find the area. Find the area of the paper needed. Okay, next we are discussing about length of the aquarium L is equal to 80 centimeter. Length of the aquarium L is equal to 80 centimeter. Breadth B is equal to 30 centimeter. Height H is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, length of the aquarium L is equal to 80 centimeter. Breadth B is equal to 30 centimeter. Height H is equal to 40 centimeter. Therefore, here consider the area of the base. Therefore, we are consider area of the base is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 80 into 30. That is 80 into 30. That is equal to 8 3 the 24 into 2 zeros. That is 80 into 30. That is equal to 2400 centimeter square. 2400 centimeter square. Area of the side face. That is area of the side face. Okay, next question is, in the building, there are 24 cylindrical pillars. In the building, there are 24 cylindrical pillars. The radius of each pillar is 28 centimeter. The radius of each pillar is 28 centimeter and height is 4 meter. Okay, 28 centimeter and height is 4 meter. Find the total cost of painting the curved surface area of all pillars at the rate of rupees 8 per meter square at the covered curved surface area of all fillers at the rate of rupees 8 per meter square. Rate of rupees 8 per meter square. Okay, therefore the curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Okay, therefore the curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Therefore radius of the cylindrical filler, therefore radius of the cylindrical filler R is equal to 28 centimeter. That is R is equal to 28 centimeter. That is equal to 0.28 meter. That is 0.28 meter. Again height h is equal to 4 meter. Then height h is equal to 4 meter. Therefore curved surface area of the pillar. Therefore curved surface area of the filler, curved surface area of the filler is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 0.28 into 4. Okay, 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 0.28 into 4. That is equal to 7.04 meter square. That is equal to 7.04 meter square. Is 7.04 meter square. Therefore, the total area of 24 fillers, therefore, the total area of 24 fillers is equal to, okay, the total area of 24 fillers is equal to 7.04 into 24. 7.04 into 24, that is equal to 7.04 into 24, that is equal to 168.96 centimeter square. 168.96 centimeter square. Therefore, the cost of painting an area of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 8. Therefore, the cost of painting an area of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 8. 1 meter square is equal to rupees 8. Okay, next problem. Volume of a cube and cuboid and cylinder. The volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Here's the solids and volume. The volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. The volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. The volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Therefore, the volume of cube is equal to, okay, side into side into side, that is equal to, side is considered here a, that is equal to a cube. Okay, side cube is equal to a cube. Next to the volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. The volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Therefore the volume and capacity. Next we are discussing about volume and capacity. Okay, there is not much difference between these two words. Okay, volume refers the amount of space occupied by an object. Volume refers the amount of space occupied by an object, but capacity refers the quantity that a container holds. Okay, capacity refers to the quantity that a container holds. Okay, capacity refers to the quantity that a container holds. Therefore 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube or 1000 liter. Okay, 1000 liter. Next we are discussing the another one important problem. Find the height of a cuboid whose volume is 275 centimeter cube and base area is 25 centimeter square. And base area is 25 centimeter square. Find the height of a cuboid whose volume is 275 centimeter cube and base area is 25 centimeter square. Therefore, volume of the cuboid is equal to area of the base into height. Volume of the cuboid is equal to area of the base into height. Volume of the cuboid is equal to area of the base into height. That is equal to height of the cuboid is equal to height of the cuboid is equal to volume divided by area of the base. Height of the cuboid is equal to volume divided by area of the base. That is h is equal to 275 divided by 25. 25 1 ja 25 1 ja. That is equal to h is equal to 11 centimeter. Hence the height of the cuboid is 11 centimeter. Hence the height of the cuboid is equal to 11 centimeter. Hence the height of the cuboid is 11 centimeter. Hence the height of the cuboid is 11 centimeter. Okay, next we are discussing about next one problem. A square and a rectangular field with a measurement as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? Which field has a larger area? Okay, this is the first one. This is second one. It is 60 meter. This is 80 meter. Okay, therefore the area of a square field is equal to a square. A side of a square field is equal to 60 meter. That is equal to area of a square field is equal to 60 into 60. That is equal to 3600 meter square. Okay, area is equal to 60 into 60. That is equal to 3600 meter square. Next, perimeter of the rectangle field. Perimeter of the rectangle field is equal to perimeter of the square field, that is equal to perimeter of the square field. Perimeter of the rectangle field is equal to perimeter of the square field, that is equal to 4 into 64, that is equal to 4 into 60, that is equal to 240 meter. That is 240 meter. 4 into 60 is equal to 240 meter. Okay, 4 into 60 is equal to 40 meter. Therefore, length of a rectangle field L is equal to 80 meter. Length of the rectangle field L is equal to 80 meter. That is equal to 2 into L plus P is equal to 240. 2 into L plus P is equal to 240. 2 into 80 plus P is equal to 240. 80 plus P is equal to 120. Okay, therefore B is equal to 120 minus 80, that is equal to 40 meter. B is equal to 120 minus 80, that is equal to 40 meter. Therefore, the area of the rectangle field, is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 80 into 40 is equal to 3200 meter. 80 into 40 is equal to 3200 meter. Hence, the area of the square field is greater than rectangle field. Hence, the area of the square field is greater than rectangle field. Okay, next question is, the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircle at the end as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of the garden. Okay, length of the rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. Okay, therefore this is the figure of a shape of garden in a rectangular in a middle of a semicircular at the ends. Okay, therefore area of a garden is equal to area of a rectangle shape plus 2 into area of a semicircular shape. That is, area of a rectangle shape is equal to length into breadth. Hence here L is equal to 13 meter into 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5, that is equal to 13. Okay, therefore 13 into 79. Okay, therefore the area of a semicircle shape is equal to 5r square divided by 2. That is equal to 22 into 3.5 into 3.5 divided by 7 into 2. Therefore, radius is equal to half of the diameter. 7 meter is equal to 3.5 meter. Hence, 22 into 3.5 into 3.5 divided by 7 into 2. That is equal to 19.25 meters. That is equal to 19.25 meters square. Therefore, area of the garden is equal to 91 plus 2 into 19.25. That is equal to 91 plus 38.5. That is equal to 129.5 meters square. That is 129.5 meter square. That is 129.5 meter square. Therefore, perimeter of the garden is equal to circumference of the circle plus 2 into length of the rectangle. Therefore, 2 semicircle make a circle. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 pi r plus 2 lr. Okay, dear students, this is the homework problem for you. Okay, write down homework and send in WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. Another one important homework problems, write down. These three are homework questions. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, thank you. And ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು 3 ಲೆಕ್ಕಗಳನ್ನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.